How to put gift file in your Google Chrome browser. If you want to set the gift file as a into your Google background, Google Chrome background, you can set. So I will show you in this video how you can do this. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Let me go on my Chrome browser. Okay, so first thing you need to check your Google Chrome version. Go to the three dot option, go to the help here, and go to the Google about Chrome, and here you can check your Google Chrome up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start to update. After its update, here you can see the relaunch button, just click on it, then Google Chrome will be relaunched. Okay, so now here you can see the customized Chrome. Sometimes people don't see these options, so I will show you how you can get this. First I will show you how you can make the Google gift tab. Okay, so some people don't see this customized Chrome button. Okay, for that you need to just update your Chrome browser. Then you have to go in settings and go to the appearance, and here the themes. Okay, so under the themes you have to select any themes and apply to the your Chrome browser. Just select any themes and just add to the Chrome. Okay, this action you have to do randomly for 2-3 days, then you will suddenly get this option, this pencil icon and customize icon. Okay, so you have to change your themes randomly, and then you will suddenly get this option. Now what you need to go to the customize Chrome, and here also in settings, this is for themes, color, and desktop shortcuts. Okay, you will get this option. If you don't, now just click on customize Chrome, and here under the background just go to the upload from device, and find your gift file from your device, and just select and open. It will be change your background. Okay, for me this is only JPG file, but you can upload gift file. How you can find gift file? You can find, like, go to the Google, find gift background for Google Chrome. Okay, so the lots of gift themes will be in Gifty. This is Gifty popular website. Here you can see lots of gift file. Here just open any, and you can just here don't have download option, just save as image, right click on it, and this will be save as a gift file. Just you have to right click on gift file and go to the save as image and save it desktop and anywhere it will be saved. Now come to the customize tab, go to the upload, go to the location where you have saved. This is my file, I just save, open it, and you can change. Now you can see the background has been changed. If you want to get back to the default, just go again here, go to the background, go to the classic Chrome, and done. It will be come back to the default. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.